Hello, Bridgie Rose. Yeah? You out here with the duckies? We just brought some water out. And hey, why don't we pour the water in their tub? Let's see how they like it. Are you splishy splashing too? It is about 65 degrees, maybe 65 degrees out here. But if you're inside the greenhouse like Bridget and the ducks are, it's probably 80. Bridget, what are you doing? Is it cold? You're telling the duckies to move out of the way? Oh, Bridgie, watch out. Mike, what are you doing? It's about time to go change your diaper, but I guess it's time to change everything. Your duckies are wondering why they're not in the tub. Hey, you. There's a ducky in there with you. Bridge, are you swimming? Hey, what are you doing? You getting your splishy splashy in? What'd you find? You are something else there, girly. Oh, you gonna get out? Oh, you're trying to look at the ducks through your legs. Yeah? I can't do anything about it, guys. You're gonna have to take it up with her. The ducks came over here and were asking Bridge what I could do to help, but... Oh, you got your ducky in there. Hey, who made that water so dirty? You're gonna think your fingers are worms or fishes. Oh, you getting back in? Say, excuse me, duck, duck. Oh, Bridgie Rose. Yeah, what's the word here? No, let's leave some water in the. Oh, hey, bath time's over, ducks. If you didn't notice that. Hey. Well, now what are we gonna do? Say, Dad, probably you should go fill up another bucket. I'll see about that. All right, Bridgie, you wanna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. The ducks are saying bye. Bye-bye. Let's see.